There we go. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. We got stuck. Some WD-40 on that.
WD-40.
Yeah! Let's see the Rumpus.
Once not very long ago in the Amazon rainforest, there lived two frogs. This is their story, the story of two frogs with an impossible dream that came true.
The leaves are so thick in parts of the rainforest that less than 10% of the sunlight reaches the jungle floor.
Creatures may spend their whole lives without even seeing the sun. There on the log live two frogs with their dream. Just once I gotta see the sky, once beyond the trees. Once I wanna get up high, just once beyond the leaves. Just once I wanna have some fun, gotta get up there. Just once I wanna see the sun, just once I wanna Frogs, friends, the toucans have stopped by to see what the frogs are seeing. The toucans hurt their wings the day before and they still hurt. Hello, toucans, can you take us up to see the sky above the trees? Sorry, we can't. Our wings don't work. Every time we try to fly, we just buzz around in circles until we get dizzy. How will we ever be able to see the sky? I don't know. We become the jaguars. Where's it? Up where? Hello, Jaguars, can you take us up to see the sky above the trees? Don't be silly.
Why would you ever want to go up there?
The jungle floor is where it's at.
He's more than jungle floor.
I'm a cool, cool cat. This is where it is at. Here on the jungle floor, where the plants smell sweet and the critters can eat. Here on the jungle floor, who needs more? Who spot a family of sloths up in the branches of the trees.
Hello, sloth. Can you take us up and see the sky above the trees?
We're so tired and sleepy.
Oh, she's shy. Yeah, she's shy. She's good. Yeah.
I can agree to your request. I need some rest. Hey, wake up! I'm a sloth. I'm jumping in a blink. I'm a sloth. But I'm just too tired to think. I'm a sloth. Yesterday I'm blinking ate some sap. I need a nap. 1, 2, 3. I'm getting set to go. Can you see? I just moved your toe. I'm a sloth. I'm confounding in a blur. I'm a sloth. But I'm finding it hard to discern. I'm a sloth. I got algae in my fur. I need some sleep. I need some sleep. Hey, do you hear that? Listen. Look out, it's the boa. Oh, please don't run away. You don't think I'm gonna eat you, do you? I heard you looked for a way to see the sky. Come along, we're your friends. Don't dither, let's slither up a tree. No slipping now, let's slide down, you and me. I do it for kindness. I just like to please. I ask for small favor. Let me give you a squeeze. Oh, don't dither. Let's slither. No slipping. I'm gripping nice and tight. I do it for friendship. I love every bug. I ask for small favor. Let me give you a hug. You know what you're thinking. You're thinking it's sly. But you know one or two you can trust. And it's I. Don't dither. Let's slither to the sea. hear them coming. Y'all up in that tree. Okay. Camilla. Fine. We all need to hide. We all need to hide. Let's get out of here. We all need to hide. Those are the two kids. Let's get out of here.
Yeah, tangled.
Everyone, run for your life. There's a Rumpus. A Rumpus in the rainforest today. A Rumpus in the rainforest today. And there's a Rumpus. A Rumpus. Rumpus in the rainforest today. Today. A Rumpus in the rainforest today. Today. Look us inside us. Let's start a fracas. Run higher and then run away. Catch us and pluck us. Let's start a fracas. Walking without no delay. There's a Rumpus in the rainforest today. There's a Rumpus. Rumpus in the rainforest today. Today. Rumpus in the rainforest today. Today. The monkeys are howling, jaguars are howling, eagles are wailing away. The wild pigs are snorting, hogs are cavorting, we all have a whole bunch to say. There's a Rumpus in the rainforest today. Rumpus, a Rumpus, Rumpus in the rainforest today. Today. Rumpus in the rainforest today. Today. Rumpus, a Rumpus, Rumpus in the rainforest today. Today. Rumpus in the rainforest today. Today.
Right. That was good, dude. I think it was just really small. I think it comes out really big. I don't know how it says. Yeah, I think you're right.
Look, here come some explorers. They're hunting for the lost ancient city of chocolate. The Amazon is the home of the cacao bean, the source of all things chocolate.
There he is now.
Map says the lost ancient city of chocolate should be right here. I can't wait to find it. We've been looking for months and I've completely run out of candy. There's rivers of syrup, or chocolate and light. Then springs of our souls go to bathe in at night. And there at the end of a rich rocky road, was a trout made of brownies that's our mother load. Cacao bean, most beautiful flora that I've ever seen. Your life has been wasted until you have tasted the treats that we make from the cacao bean. This X marks the spot of the chocolate vault, where they kept the marshmallows, nuts, and the malt. I'll live in a tall house for which I know much, except to climb up the great temple of fudge. Cacao bean, most beautiful flora that I've ever seen. Your life has been wasted until you have tasted the treats that we make from the cacao bean. Life has been wasted. keep walking in that direction and you won't miss it. Hey guys, I can't wait to get some chocolates. Guys, here we come. Come on, the last one of the hot fudges and maraschino cherry.
Those guys are scaring off the howler monkeys and they're our last chance.
Hello, howler monkey. Can you take us up to see the sky above the trees?
What? I think what your canopy?
That sounds wrong.
Are you nuts?
No, I don't think so.
Well, if you're not nuts, then don't air nuts. Yeah, because we're totally nuts.
Stand on the ground and no monkey around. Up in the canopy. Is the air so thick? We just howl and we grin. Up in the canopy. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? We just swing and play, go bananas all day. Up in the canopy. There's no escape, and we all have got ache. Up in the canopy. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? This is just for chunks with the cold double tongues. Up in the canopy. Underground and a monkey around. Up in the canopy. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? This is so discouraging.
No one wants to help us and we just want to see the sky. Just then the only ant smoked by.
The frogs jump out of the way. Nothing can stop a column of army ants. Here come the ants.
Help me up on the log. I don't want to get nervous to death.
Marching by the millions, marching all day long. One man might be crazy, but millions can't be wrong. One ant is so tiny, 2 ants still are small. Multiply by millions, and we can do it all. Teamwork, got a lot of clouds. Teamwork, that's right, teamwork. Helps to if you're caring, sharing, and got a lot of clouds. Teamwork makes dream work. Yeah, it's great to work together. Look how big our anthill is. We're an awesome team! For us friends, the team kids have stopped by the ant song about teamwork reminds the frogs of something very important. Their friends, the toucans, are still hurt. In their eagerness to get to the sky, the frogs have not stopped to help their injured friends.
The frogs summon the shaman who say they can fix the toucan's wing with stuff that goes right there in the rainforest. We can fix your wings with the medicines of the jungle.
Shoot is bark, this leaf. If you ain't here to leave, once this frost, you'll agree. The first to take pharmacy. The first to take pharmacy. Try this bolt, suck this vine. It'll pass, you'll be fine. Put this root in your tea. The force to take pharmacy. The force to take pharmacy. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking the nurse. But sooner or less, later, then try your wing. It won't hurt. Fight this bull, suck this vine. It'll last, you'll be fine. Put this root in your tea. The force to take pharmacy. The force to take pharmacy. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking some dirt. But fling it, then try your wing. It won't hurt. Like this bull, suck this vine. In a flash, you'll be fine. Put this root in your tea. The first to take pharmacy. The first to take pharmacy. The first to take pharmacy. Pharmacy. We can fly, we can fly. Frogs, won't you hop on our backs? Can you really do that?
Can you really take us up to see the sky above the trees?
I sure can. If a toucan stands, then a toucan can. Me and toucan see the sky. If a toucan can, me and you can fly. Me and you can start to fly. you, Dad.